Hi everyone. I am here to tell about potential energy, which is one of the important concepts of physics. Potential energy is the stored energy an object has because of its position or state. It is the energy by virtue of an object's position relative to other objects. In the case of a spring, when it is displaced from its equilibrium position, it gains some amount of energy which we observe in the form of stress we feel in our hand upon stretching it. P equals mgh, where P is the potential energy of the object in joules, J.m is the mass of the object in kg. G is the acceleration due to gravity in ms2. H is the height of the object with respect to the reference point in m. The SI unit of P is joule. There are three types of potential energy that are elastic potential energy, gravitational energy, chemical potential energy. The gravitational potential energy of an object is defined as the energy possessed by an object rose to a certain height against gravity. The energy is stored as the result of the gravitational attraction of the Earth for the object. Examples: river water at the top of a waterfall, a book on a table before it falls, a child at the top of a slide. Read the given table. Since the gravitational potential energy of an object is directly proportional to its height above the zero position, a doubling of the height will result in a doubling of the gravitational potential energy. A tripling of the height will result in a tripling of the gravitational potential energy. Chemical energy is stored in the bonds that connect atoms with other atoms and molecules with other molecules. Because chemical energy is stored, it is a form of potential energy. When a chemical reaction takes place, the stored chemical energy is released. Chemical energy of a chemical substance can be transformed to other forms of energy by a chemical reaction. Examples of chemical potential energy include energy stored in the petrol used in your car, energy stored in batteries, energy stored in the wood that you place on a fire. Elastic potential energy is the energy an object has in it due to being deformed. Any object that can be deformed and then return to its original shape can have elastic potential energy. Elastic energy occurs when objects are impermanently compressed, stretched, or generally deformed in any manner. Do you know where is elastic energy stored? Elastic energy is stored in the bonds between the atoms in an object or substance. These bonds absorb energy as they are stressed, and release that energy as they relax. Examples: the coil spring of a wind-up clock, an archer's stretched bow, a bent diving board just before a diver's jump.